Louis Cardin is the first truly international perfume born in the UAE. Created for the modern man and woman, each perfume is carefully designed by Louis Cardin's highly skilled team, designed to impress the connoisseurs of fragrance. Louis Cardin's majestic smells enhance your senses and augment your personality. Our perfumes are manufactured in the diverse land of UAE. It is home to state-of-the-art perfume manufacturing facilities, which guarantee you the best international standards. The exotic essential oils used in the perfume come from the world's most prestigious manufacturer in France, Maine, France, ensuring stronger and longer-lasting smells, thus making us unique among UAE perfume manufacturers.
Buy now at your nearest Perfumery store.